This is drill number 3 for the chapter 8 review. You get to skip numbers 1, number 2, and the last bullet point of number 3. So it says let f of n be a sequence where the first term is 24 and the second term is 18. Right? Write an explicit formula when it describes an arithmetic sequence. So f sub 1 is 24. I could write as the ordered pair 1, 24. And f sub 2 is 18, could be the ordered pair 2, 18. And I want an arithmetic sequence, so this is where I'm going to go to Stat and Edit. And so let's start with that. Grab my calculator. Stat and Edit. Let's clear out what's in there. And I'm going to have 1 and 2, 24 and 18. And then I'm going to go to Stat and Calc. Stat and Calc. And because it's arithmetic, I'm going to choose linear regression, which is choice 4. And I get a sub n equals, I guess I don't have to write I'm sorry, negative 6n plus 30. I just used n rather than x. So that's my explicit formula. Now when I want to write an explicit formula when it describes a geometric sequence, the only difference is now I'm going to choose exponential regression. So I'm going to choose exponential regression for the second bullet point. So let's go back to Stat and Calc. I already have the data in the calculator. And I get G sub n is 32 times 0.75 to the n. It's not to the n minus 1. This on the calculator just says to the x, so this would just be to the n. And that's it for this drill. It's just this one problem.